There are four numbers that are important to consider for effective time management. The number 168 represents the total number of hours in any given week. 24 hours per day times 7 days equals 168 hours per week. Everyone has 168 hours available to them each week. No one has a second more, no one has a second less. The number 56 represents the total number of hours that most people, ideally, would like to sleep each week. 8 hours per night times 7 nights equals 56 hours per week. The number 40 represents the total number of hours that a successful student, theoretically, spends going to class and studying each week. It is important to maximize those 40 hours. If you consider that there are 168 hours in every week, that you are sleeping for 56 of those hours, and that you are going to class and studying for 40 of those hours, the remainder is 72 hours per week. You have 72 hours per week to do everything that is not related to sleeping, going to class, or studying. 72 hours per week seems like a lot of time. It is an average of over 10 hours per day, but it may not feel like a lot of time because of all of the other tasks, responsibilities, and obligations in your life. Similar to the 40 hours per week you spend going to class and studying, it is important to maximize the 72 remaining hours per week as well. In either case, the numbers 40 and 72 represent periods of time when you likely want and need to be productive each week. In both cases, in order to manage your time and remain productive, you must be able to identify your highest priorities, your most important tasks, each day to ensure that you accomplish them before accomplishing your lower priorities, your less important tasks.